Okay, hold on, guys. Dad said, hold on.
Come on, do it.
Hi.
Hey, we're about to head out. What are you gonna do?
Hi, my husband's behind us. Hi, my name is Carrie Smith, and I've been a registered nurse for 29 years. Today I'm here to speak with you about why the nursing profession is such a wonderful career path to choose. First, I'd like to begin with a simple question. How many of you have ever been to a doctor's appointment, or been admitted to a hospital, or been visiting a loved one in a hospital? I probably could say that the majority of you have answered yes to that question. Within the medical field, there are many career paths that you can choose. Today, I specifically would like to talk to you about being a registered nurse. Since the beginning of medicine, nursing has been one of the most popular and well-known professions to date, and it's continued to attract many professionals over the years. I'm sure there are many reasons why they chose to do it, but today I'm going to tell you a little bit about why I did. First of all, starters, nurses are needed in many different areas of the medical field. Not only are they needed in hospitals, but they're also needed in outpatient settings. They're also used in insurance companies, law firms, doctor's office, ambulatory surgery centers, and express care facilities. In addition, nurses can also visit individuals in their homes. They also manage hospitals, they can manage departments of a hospital, and they even can instruct and teach nurses and nursing students. Not only do nurses provide information that's valuable to their colleagues, but they're also crucial resources for their family members and close friends. Because there's so many areas within the scope of nursing, it's important to take time to research all of them and what area might interest you the best. By taking time to do the research, you'll be able to determine what corresponding goes with that and what you would think you might like to do. Finally, being a nurse allows you to have the flexibility to have a family. Many positions offered are full-time, part-time, and PRN. This was one of the biggest factors that influenced my decision to becoming a nurse. Was I not only able to work in the field that I truly am passionate about, but I was able to do so while raising a family. Having the flexibility of being part-time, full-time, PRN, or even traveling nurse can be a rewarding and very unique experience. To recap, I've provided many reasons why the nursing profession is a great profession to be part of. However, like all good things, there are some negatives. First, you will be exposed to all types of germs and viruses. So if you're not a fan of potentially getting sick, then that's probably not the option for you. However, with proper hygiene and proper safety precautions, you can limit your exposure and decrease the risk of ever becoming sick. Also, depending upon the setting, sometimes the hours are really long and they can get overwhelming and stressful. Nurses are needed 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They're needed weekends, weeknights, and they're also needed on holidays, so that could be, difficult. Being a nurse can be a physically and mentally challenging job on a daily basis, but no 2 days are ever the same. Having a positive attitude and making an impact on the lives of others will keep you coming back each day. On a positive note, if you eventually figure out that nursing isn't for you, you can always choose another career path. When I first began working in the hospital setting, I worked mainly with the adult population. But after some time, I found working with the pediatric population to be a much better fit for me. My first job was working with pediatric intensive care. I then was a elementary school nurse, and then I went on, right now I currently work in a doctor's office. I've been fortunate that each position that I've taken as a nurse fit the needs of myself, my family, and also my wants. If you choose to pursue a field in nursing, it's helpful to know that many colleges and universities do have that program of study. So you can choose one of that, but there's also you have many other choices. You can choose a 2-year or 4-year degree. You can also commute, stay on campus, or do online courses. You know, Northeast Ohio does encourage those with the associate degree to continue their education to achieve a bachelor's degree, which is that's why I chose to go ahead and pursue my bachelor's. So with a little thought and much dedication, you can find that nursing can be an amazing profession. Thanks.